Welcome everyone, this is John Wallachy and this is week one of the IBM Drone Drop Challenge. We are giving away 1,500 drones and I'm going to be selecting out of the virtual raffle drum the first 100 winners. Today I'm in Sydney, Australia, and so behind me is the harbor, and we're going to start a little drawing. Hopefully you'll be able to tune in and watch me draw 100 drones the first week, 200 drones week 2, 300 week 3, 400 week 4, and then in our finale we will draw the last set of drones. It's going to be pretty exciting. Hopefully you'll see your name be pulled out of the virtual raffle drum. I built myself an application that will randomly select our winners. I'll introduce you to that in a couple of moments. But first, let's talk about the raffle. I'm going to share my screen, and we'll be able to take a look at our various offerings. So we're pretty excited as part of the developer advocacy team to allow you to enter. Hopefully, you all have entered and are tuned in to see your name drawn. If you've not yet entered and you're eligible, you can go to developer.ibm.com/contest and enter now. Now there's a button for that. You're going to win a Tello drone, an IBM Developer t-shirt, a box and sticker. It's going to be a lot of fun. You'll be able to learn about programming your drone. We've got a whole set of drone challenges here. So first, understand the rules. And so eligible for US, Canada, UK, and Spain. Hopefully, if you're in any of those countries, you're welcome to enter, and hopefully you'll see yourself selected. We've got a number of IBM code patterns and tutorials on what you can do with your drone. And of course, we've recorded a couple of videos. You have to watch me get hit by the drone in a couple of different spots. We've got a whole set of instructions on how to program your drone, and we'll go through that over time. But at the end, we're going to be able to send the drone pictures up to IBM Cloud, get it to do some visual recognition, and you'll be able to, at that point, determine what Watson sees. And so we'll take you through. You'll be able to build this and program the drone in all sorts of fun and interesting ways. All right, so let's jump over to our virtual raffle drum and see what we got here. So I'm gonna put the drone down and get ourselves set here. So hopefully there's a drum roll someplace. We're gonna pick week one. I've already typed in our password. We're gonna pick the first 100 names. Hopefully you're drawn here. All right, oops, I didn't type the password in. There we go. And we're gonna kick ourselves off with week one. Let's see what we got here. All right, so Adam N from Old Brownsboro, you're the first winner. Couple of folks from Regina, Canada, you guys are a winner. Let's see here, I see all sorts of places in the US and Canada. Hopefully we'll see some winners in the UK and some winners in Spain as well. So really encourage you to tell your friends and your colleagues to enter the contest. Hopefully you see your name scroll past. You will get an email announcing that you're a winner. You'll have to come back and give us your shipping address. We want to ship you the drone. So at that point, we didn't remember when you entered, you didn't give us the drone. You're going to have to you just gave us your zip code so we can validate your eligibility. And now we need to ship you the drone. So provide all the details for us to get that drone out to you. So we're about halfway through. Hopefully we're still pulling names here out of the virtual raffle drum. The first 100 users, winners, congratulations. Pretty excited for you. You're gonna have so much fun with this. It's a toy, but it's got some really cool capabilities. First of all, it's got a camera. You can program it, and you can have fun if you're a maker, if you've got kids, if you're just curious about programming. You'll just have a blast with this. I've been having a great time flying this around. Now, of course, be careful. We don't want anyone to get hurt. But we're pretty excited in the IBM developer community to help you get programming with your drone. And so let's take a look here. I see John S. from Rochester and Satith from Arlington. You might have been our last winner today. So lucky you squeaked right in. So congratulations to all the winners. Tune in on Tuesdays and Tuesdays at noon. And hopefully, oh, we're still drawing names, sorry. Here we go. And so what happens is it's trying to find the appropriate winners here out of all our contestants. And so if you, let's talk about who's not eligible. So if you're an IBMer, you are not eligible to win. There's a whole set of contest rules. If you're a resident of other countries, unfortunately, you can't win the raffle. You'll have to, hopefully in the future, if we continue our drone giveaways, you'll be able to be a winner at some point when we expand to other geographies. All right, hopefully we are at our end here. So Joe T from Red Granite, you might have snuck in as our final winner here. Congratulations, everyone. I'm really excited. Hopefully you'll see me in all sorts of different places around the planet, and you'll be able to get yourself a free drone. So once you get the email that you're a winner, come back, give us your details, and we'll ship out the drone as soon as we can get it to you. If you tried last time, hopefully in the last 2018, we gave away drones. And if you weren't a winner, I hope you win this time. If you were a winner, so you're not eligible to win 2 drones, although I'm not checking if you won a drone last time. I'll have to go see if that's in the rules or not. But you can register to win again, but you can only win once in this particular contest. So if you didn't win today, tune in next week, because you can still be in the pool for week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. Your odds are obviously better if you register early, and so we want you to go and do that. Catch us on Twitch TV on Tuesdays at noon Eastern, and you'll see me do the virtual raffle drum, and I think we're done. That was awesome. I'm glad that all worked well. Tune in next time. Thanks, everyone.